Your mindset about money can make or break your financial future. It's not just about how much you earn. It's about how you think, plan, and make decisions. The good news: shifting your money mindset can unlock faster financial growth and help you achieve your goals sooner than you ever thought possible. In this video, we'll uncover 15 transformative money mindsets that can accelerate your journey to financial success. These aren't just tips. They're proven ways to reprogram how you think about wealth, opportunities, and abundance. Imagine a life where money flows naturally, where you make decisions with clarity, and where financial success feels effortless. That life begins with your mindset. If you're ready to take control of your financial growth, let's get started. Why does your mindset matter so much when it comes to money? Because every financial decision you make, whether it's saving, investing, or spending, is shaped by your beliefs and habits. If you believe money is hard to come by, you'll struggle to hold on to it. But if you see money as a tool for growth, you'll naturally attract opportunities. The wealthiest people in the world understand this. They don't just focus on income. They focus on developing the mindset that allows them to grow and sustain wealth. By adopting these same mindsets, you can create a financial foundation that grows stronger every day. In this video, we're going to explore the mental shifts that can help you break through financial barriers, make smarter choices, and achieve your goals faster. Before we dive into the 15 money mindsets, it's important to identify any limiting beliefs holding you back. These are thoughts like, "I'll never make enough money," "I'm just bad with finances," "Money isn't meant for people like me." These beliefs can sabotage your progress without you even realizing it. The first step to adopting a growth mindset is challenging these thoughts. Replace "I can't afford it" with "How can I afford it?" Replace "I'm bad with money" with "I'm learning to manage my finances better." By shifting your internal dialogue, you'll create space for new opportunities and better habits to take root. Now that you've identified limiting beliefs, it's time to embrace the money mindsets that will accelerate your financial growth. These aren't just ideas. They're proven principles that the wealthiest people use to attract, grow, and sustain their wealth. Some of these mindsets may feel natural to you, while others might challenge the way you currently think about money. The key is to stay open and curious. With practice, these mindsets will become habits, and habits will lead to results. Let's dive into the first mindset. It's the foundation for building wealth and making smarter financial decisions. The first money mindset is understanding that money is a tool, not a goal. Financially successful people don't chase money for the sake of having it. They see it as a resource to create opportunities, solve problems, and achieve their dreams. When you start viewing money this way, it shifts your focus from just earning more to using what you have more effectively. Instead of asking, "How can I get rich?" ask, "How can I use money to build a life of purpose, freedom, and growth?" This mindset helps you make intentional decisions, like investing in education, starting a business, or supporting causes you care about. Money isn't the end, it's the means to something greater. The second mindset is a classic rule of personal finance. Pay yourself first. Before you pay bills or spend on wants, set aside a portion of your income for savings and investments. When you prioritize saving, you're building the foundation for financial freedom. Think of it as rewarding your future self. The wealthy don't wait to see what's left over at the end of the month. They treat savings like a non-negotiable expense. Even if you start small, the habit of paying yourself first will compound over time. Automated transfers to a savings account or investment portfolio make this process effortless, ensuring you stay consistent and grow your wealth. Financially successful people focus on value, not cost. They understand that the cheapest option isn't always the best, and sometimes spending a little more upfront can save money in the long run. This mindset applies to everything from buying high-quality products that last to investing in tools or education that enhance your earning potential. Ask yourself, what value will this bring to my life, instead of just looking at the price tag. This doesn't mean overspending. It means making thoughtful decisions that maximize the return on your money. When you prioritize value over cost, you're investing in your long-term success. The fourth mindset is embracing delayed gratification. This means resisting the temptation to splurge on short-term wants so you can prioritize long-term goals. Think about it. Every dollar you save and invest today has the potential to multiply in the future. Successful people understand this and practice patience, knowing that sacrifices now lead to greater rewards later. This mindset doesn't mean depriving yourself. It means being intentional. Treat yourself occasionally, but keep your big goals in focus. Remember, financial growth isn't a sprint. It's a marathon, and delayed gratification keeps you on track. The fifth money mindset is to learn before you earn. Financially successful people prioritize knowledge because they know it's the foundation of long-term wealth. Before diving into an investment or starting a business, they educate themselves thoroughly. Whether it's reading books, attending workshops, or following financial experts, learning equips you to make smarter decisions and avoid costly mistakes. This mindset isn't just about formal education. It's about being proactive and curious. Remember, the more you know, the better prepared you are to grow and protect your wealth. Think of learning as the first and most important investment you'll ever make. The sixth mindset is all about diversifying your income streams. Relying on just one source of income is risky, especially in today's fast-changing economy. Wealthy people create multiple income streams, like side businesses, rental properties, dividends, or royalties. This not only increases their earning potential but also protects them from unexpected setbacks, like losing a job or downturns in one market. You don't have to start big. Even small side projects or investments can grow into substantial income over time. The key is to look for opportunities that align with your skills and goals. Remember, financial growth accelerates when you have more than one path to wealth. The seventh mindset is to take calculated risks. Financial growth often requires stepping out of your comfort zone, but it doesn't mean being reckless. Wealthy individuals weigh the potential rewards against the risks, do their homework, and take action when the odds are in their favor. This could mean investing in a new market, starting a business, or pursuing a unique opportunity. The key is to gather information, assess your risk tolerance, and have a backup plan in place. Remember, the biggest risk isn't failing. It's staying stuck because you were too afraid to try. Calculated risks open doors to possibilities you might never have imagined. The eighth mindset is to master emotional discipline. Money decisions are often influenced by emotions, whether it's fear during a market downturn or excitement about a new investment. Financially mature people don't let emotions dictate their choices. Instead, they rely on research, data, and long-term plans. They know when to walk away from a bad deal and when to stick to their strategy even when things feel uncertain. If you've ever been tempted to sell stocks during a dip or overspend out of frustration, this mindset is for you. Practicing emotional discipline ensures that your decisions are aligned with your goals, not driven by short-term impulses. The ninth money mindset is to prioritize assets over liabilities. Financially successful people focus on acquiring things that grow in value or generate income, rather than spending on items that depreciate or create debt. For example, instead of buying a fancy car that loses value the moment you drive it, They invest in assets like stocks, real estate, or a business that produces cash flow. This doesn't mean you can't enjoy life's luxuries. It means making sure your assets fund those luxuries, not your paycheck. Ask yourself, is this purchase adding to my wealth or taking away from it? Prioritizing assets ensures that your money is always working for you. The 10th mindset is to think long-term. Wealthy individuals plan years, or even decades, ahead, knowing that true financial growth takes time and patience. This mindset helps you stay focused on your goals, even when short-term challenges arise. For example, instead of panicking during a market dip, long-term thinkers see it as an opportunity to buy more at lower prices. They prioritize building wealth over chasing quick wins. Adopt this mindset by regularly reviewing your long-term goals and ensuring your daily actions align with them. Remember, success is a marathon, not a sprint. The final mindset is to focus on abundance, not scarcity. People with an abundance mindset believe there's always more wealth to create, more opportunities to explore, and more ways to succeed. This mindset shifts you from fear to possibility. Instead of thinking, "I'll never make enough money," ask yourself, "How can I create new income streams?" Instead of worrying about losing, focus on the value you're adding and the wealth you're building. By focusing on abundance, you'll attract opportunities and make decisions from a place of confidence and optimism. It's the mindset that turns dreams into reality. We've just explored 15 powerful money mindsets that can speed up your financial growth. From prioritizing assets and thinking long-term to focusing on abundance, these principles aren't just ideas, they're life-changing habits. Now it's your turn. Which mindset resonates with you the most? Are you ready to embrace delayed gratification, take calculated risks, or create multiple income streams? The journey to financial success starts with a single shift in how you think. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us bring more content that empowers you to take control of your financial future. And don't forget to comment below. What's the first mindset you'll adopt today? Thank you for watching, and here's to transforming your mindset and accelerating your financial growth. See you in the next video.